This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy BTC on Ledger Live. Open Ledger Live and connect your device using the USB cable, then enter your PIN. Confirm your firmware is up to date and open the manager to install the Bitcoin app. Create or unlock your Ledger account, then navigate to buy crypto and follow the on-screen steps with your preferred provider. Always confirm addresses on the hardware device before approving transactions. Connect a payment provider or exchange to fund purchases and complete any required verification before buying. Choose bank transfer for lower fees or card for speed and compare rates across providers in Ledger Live. Enter the amount of BTC or local currency, review fees and the total cost, then confirm the purchase on both the app and your device. Keep records and consider moving funds to a secure Ledger account. Quick recommendation: if you like staying organized while handling crypto tax receipts and snacks, try these leak-proof containers for easy meal prep and tidy desks. They seal well, stack neatly, and cut cleanup time. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a neater workspace and lunch setup. Now let's get back to the video. After purchase, verify the BTC arrived in your Ledger Live account and check the device display for the correct address. Never enter your recovery phrase into any app or website and store it offline in multiple secure locations. Enable passphrase or set up multiple accounts if you need extra partitioning for funds. Regularly update firmware and Ledger Live, and consider splitting large holdings across devices to minimize single-point risks today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.